Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to how to fill the clean water tank on ROBOROCK Saros Z70. The water tanks, there are two of them, are located on top of your device. You can just pull them out very easily. So I'll pull both of them out and then we'll look into them a bit further. So there's the other one. And now this is a dirty water tank. Has this symbol, this like white symbol of a drop with some like things on it. And you should empty it after each cleaning session by opening the latch and simply emptying it. Then every like 2 months you should do a deeper clean on it. Just as you would wash the dishes, but not with the sponge you wash your dishes with, of course, because you probably don't want to touch it with the same sponge. But just like deeper cleaning, and then the clean water tank should just be filled when needed, so when it gets empty. And you can also open the latch, fill it in with water, then close it. And also clean it more deeply every 2 months, because clean water doesn't mean it's going to be clean. If the water stays there for too long, it may become stinky. So it's great to like clean it sometimes. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.